I spent weeks building something I thought could change everything. AI was getting smarter, the tools were getting better, and I was convinced I had found the perfect opportunity. So I built it. And honestly, I wish I had waited. Not because AI didn't work, but because I learned a lesson that most people discover way too late. Just because you can build something with AI doesn't mean you should. Right now, AI makes almost every idea sound possible. You can build an AI assistant, an AI app, an AI-powered business. You can automate customer support, generate content, analyze data, write code, create videos, and even build products without a massive team. And that's exactly where the trap begins. Because when technology makes building easy, it's incredibly easy to build something nobody actually needs. And that's exactly what happened to me. The idea sounded perfect. There was a repetitive problem that people were dealing with, and I thought AI could solve it. The technology was available, the market was growing, and competitors were already proving that AI could work in the space. So instead of asking, do people really want this? I asked, how quickly can I build it? Big mistake. I focused on the technology before understanding the customer. I spent time testing models, improving outputs, adding features, and making everything look impressive. But there was one thing I wasn't doing enough of: talking to actual users. Eventually, I showed the product to people, and their reaction wasn't terrible. It was worse. They simply didn't care. They thought it was interesting. They said it was cool, but nobody was desperate to use it. And that's when I realized something important. Interest is not demand. Someone saying, that's cool, doesn't mean they'll pay for it. Someone saying AI is the future doesn't mean they'll use your product. And building something technically impressive doesn't automatically create a business. The biggest mistake was believing that AI itself was the opportunity. It isn't. AI is a tool. The real opportunity is finding a painful problem and using AI to solve it better, faster, or cheaper. That's a completely different approach. Instead of starting with, what can I build with AI? You should start with, what problem is painful enough that people will actually pay to solve it? Then ask whether AI makes that solution better. If I started again, I wouldn't spend weeks building first. I'd spend days researching. I'd talk to potential customers. I'd find out what they're already paying for. I'd identify the tasks they hate doing. Then I'd build the smallest possible version of the solution. No unnecessary features, no complicated system, no trying to impress everyone, just one problem. One solution, one clear reason to use it. Because the most dangerous thing about AI isn't that it can't build enough, it's that it can build too much, too quickly.